The 5 flows every €50,000 per month store needs to have. Learn it from the stores that already figured it out. And today I'm going to show you exactly which flows that you need. Hi there, my name is Geuke and I'm the CEO and founder of ecomflows, where we've generated over $150 million in revenue for our clients. And today we're going to talk about the following topics. So first, why most stores miss these 5 flows. Second, flow number 1, the welcome series. Third, flow number 2, the abandoned checkout recovery. And fourth, flow number 3, post-purchase sequence. And fifth, flow number 4, parcel tracking flow. And sixth, flow number 5, the browse abandoned. So to hit €50,000 per month, you need to have these 5 flows. No shortcuts, no exceptions. Let me show you why. So here is what you need to hit €50,000 per month. So most stores are missing 3 to 4 of these. And that's why they are stuck at low margins. So in reality, this is what you need. So number 1 is the welcome series to capture hot leads. Number 2 is the checkout recovery to, of course, save your paid traffic. So number 3, post-purchase to build repeated buyers. Number 4, tracking automation to prevent disputes. So number 5, the browse bandit to catch early interest. And these are not optional. These are requirements. So if you want to hit €50,000 every month, you need to have all 5 of these flows running. Not 3, not 4, but all 5. Most stores maybe have 2 or 3 set up, and then they wonder why they cannot break through €30,000 every month. But here is why. So you cannot skip these and expect €50,000 every month. It simply doesn't work this way. And here is why each of one actually matters. So flow number 1 is the welcome series. Why you need this to hit €50,000 every month. New subscribers are 3 times more likely to buy in the first 48 hours. So without this flow, you're getting your hottest leads go cold. So here is what it does. It captures more lead, and this is great for sending your campaigns. It also increases your conversion rate if you do it right. And it also increases the amount of sends in other flows, and therefore it will generate more revenue indirectly through all of the other flows. So if you're missing this, you're losing out on your best conversion opportunity. New subscribers are hot, they just opted in, and they literally want to hear from you. So if you wait 3 days to contact them, they already forgot who you are. The welcome series fixes this. Flow number 2 is the abandoned checkout. So why you need this to hit €50,000 every month. So without this flow, you will lose €2,000 to €4,000 per €10,000 in ad spend. And you simply cannot hit €50,000 leaving that money, mostly profit, on the table. So here is what it does. It recovers 10 to 25% of your abandoned checkouts. It saves paid traffic from going to waste, and it also adds urgency automatically. So you paid for the click, and this flow makes sure that it converts. Every single person who abandons the checkout is someone that is already paid to get on your website. So without this flow, you're just letting them walk away. And this is pure profit that you're leaving behind. So this flow is simple. When someone leaves the checkout, then wait for 30 minutes, send the email, and then capture that extra profit. That's it. It's very simple, but it's really necessary. Flow number 3, the post-purchase sequence. So why do you need this to hit €50,000 every month? You cannot hit this target on one-time customers only. You need to have repeated buyers. And this flow, this is how you get them. So here is what it does. It literally turns buyers into repeated buyers, and it also increases the average order value directly after purchase. It cross-sells complementary products, or it immediately gives a flat discount right after the purchase. Stores with this get more profit per customer, and therefore also a higher customer lifetime value without more ad spend. So the first purchase is just the beginning. So if you're not following up right after someone buys, you're literally missing the entire backend of your revenue potential. So the flow, it works like this. So when someone places an order, send an email containing an upsell and increase the AOV on autopilot. Very simple, but yet very effective, especially for dropshipping. Then flow number 4 is the parcel tracking flow. And why you need this to hit €50,000 every month. At that level, you can simply not spend 10 to 15 hours per week answering "where's my order" emails. This flow reduces that. So here is what it does. It sends tracking updates fully automatically, and it also reduces the parcel support tickets by at least 70%. And it also prevents disputes. So scale requires automation, and this flow really gives you that. When you're doing €5,000 a month, you can manually answer support tickets. But at 50,000 euros a month, you will drown in them. And this flow will solve that problem. So the flow works fully automatic. So when an order is fulfilled or is shipped, the customer will receive a parcel update, and this will eventually reduce the chances on payment blocks and holds and will also increase the customer satisfaction. And then flow number 5 is the browse abandoned. So why do you need this to hit 50,000 euros a month? So most stores only follow up at the abandoned checkout, but to hit this target, you need to capture interest earlier before they even add to cart. And that is exactly what this browse abandoned flow does. So what does it? It captures pre-cart buying intent and it shows social proof early. So it converts around 5% of the browsers, and of course that's why it's a very effective flow. So this flow recovers 2,000 to 4,000 euros every month from traffic others ignore, which is basically free profit. So people browse products for a reason. That's simply because they are interested. So most stores wait until they add to cart before following them up. But you need to capture them earlier than that. The flow triggers when someone views a product, then wait for an hour, and then send an email, plus some social proof, and that will hopefully convert them. So these 5 flows are required to hit at least 50,000 euros every month. Missing one of these will actually limit your growth ceiling, and that's why you need to make sure to build these 5 before building something else. So do not overcomplicate it, get these 5 running, optimize them, and then think about adding more. Quality beats quantity every single time. So my name is Geuke and I'm the CEO and founder of ecomflows, where we generated over $150 million in additional revenue for our customers. So if you want to stay in contact, you can simply send me a message on the number listed below, or if you prefer email, you can reach out to us at hello@ecomflows.io, or if you want to follow me on X, you can simply search for Tip from Jip, and I hope to welcome you soon at ecomflows.